Another product that can be manufactured at Etnyre are 7,000-gallon vertical storage tanks for storing modified asphalt emulsion. These tanks are insulated and are heated by a system of electric heaters. They can be equipped with a pumping unit or simply mounted higher off the ground to utilize a gravity discharge. Vertical storage tanks are used to store emulsified asphalts at state road district or county yards for convenient use at diverse locations. This then saves the user a lot of hauling time and associated expense.